Hello everyone, this is Vivek and you're watching Rotten Mac. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to hide or remove your top bar. I mean your toolbar, action toolbar. So first I will show you what is it. Okay, so let the project build. Deploy the application in my Android emulator. Okay, down we can see Gradle build is running, and we'll wait for a moment to initialize. Okay, it's starting. Google Pixel 3a. I'm using the emulator Google Pixel 3a. Remember guys, you can test on your original Android device by turning on the developer option and the Android USB debugging. Okay, so we'll wait for a minute as the emulator is much slower than your original Android device. Okay, now our device has boot up, it's installing the application, and yes, here we go. Okay, come on. Did I have done something wrong in the code? No. Okay, yeah, now you can see here it is. This is our toolbar, action toolbar, and some of you people don't like action toolbar. There are many reasons, it depends on you. And for the people who generally have the blog or website, their blog website already show that their website or blog name, so two names showing is like kind of weird and not so attractive. And this depends on people likings if they really like or not. So we'll show you how to remove this web view, action bar. So we'll go to our resource, values, and styles.xml file. Now you can see here it is written parent theme.app compact.light action bar. Now we have to remove like this light dot no action bar. So now we will simply run our app and we'll go here, installing the app again, and we'll it to come live. We'll wait. Okay, now you can see there is no action bar, it's hidden now. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next video tutorial, and we will show here. Let me just go add back the action bar. So in the next video tutorial we'll show how to add menu option through here. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Goodbye and take care.